Today I'm going to show you how to do a full hive inspection midsummer so you know what to look for. Hello, I'm Griff Rees and welcome to Gwyn and Griffith. Here we talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living, and we do reviews as well. Now today I'm going to go to this hive, do a full hive inspection midsummer. So I'm looking for queen cells, looking for eggs, looking for brood, looking to see how much honey is coming in. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get into it. So first thing you do, take a roof off, place the roof upside down, start taking the swoopers off. So the top one's empty, and that's about half full. So we just had a big June gap here at the minute, so the bees have eaten some of the honey. There's a little bit left there, but the summer flowers just started to come in, so hopefully, fingers crossed, for a good season. Now, lots of bees there under the queen excluder. Let's get into it. So these are a bit lively. They're the Welsh black bees, like I like to call them. They're actually European black bee. Not a bad bee, but they can be a bit nasty. These ain't too bad. They're pretty much just all bark, no bite at the minute. So always shake your queen excluder back into the hive. Okay, so this is what your hive's going to look like midsummer. It's going to be absolutely ram-packed full of bees. Now we want to get to the end frame and work one way, either from there down or from there back. So we're just going to smoke these bees, get them down there because I don't want to be crushing and killing bees. Get them out the way so we've got plenty of places to work. Get that end frame out. Plenty of pollen. Got some honey there. We've got an old queen cell there. Plenty of pollen and honey on that side. Give that a shake. No queen cells, good. So I'm just going to put that down to the side there. Everything's right there, plenty of eggs. More broods, more eggs. Same there. Now I'm not looking for the queen. The only time I'll be looking for the queen is if I see a queen cell. Then I need to go into the hive and I need to stop them swarming. But if I don't see a queen cell, I won't bother wasting time looking for the queen. So if you ever want to get into the bees and they're blocking your field of vision, little trick, just blow on the frame. I'll show you again how that works. If you've got a solid frame there, bees, blow and that disperses the bees so you can see exactly what's happening. Now very important, you don't want to be spending mass amount of time doing your inspection. Midsummer, as long as you've got eggs and there's no queen cell, plenty of healthy looking brood, then there's no need to waste any more time rather than doing that. Now I'm pretty happy with this. There's plenty of eggs, plenty of brood, young brood, old brood. There's plenty of honey and pollen down in the frames. Absolutely nothing wrong. We don't need to worry about this one bit. Now in this hive I've got a new queen. We saw the old queen cell where she emerged from. Chances is I won't have to do this hive inspection again. this year's queen, she's not going to want to swarm, and this hopefully will bring in lots of honey. So that's how quick your inspections can be if you're not looking for a queen cell. Sometimes you can do it even quicker. Obviously I'm a bit slower filming myself doing it and giving a bit of a commentary. So smoke those bees back down. Queenie slewed back on. Supers on top. Roof on top, and that's it. That's how easy the hive inspection should be, as long as there's no queen cells. Don't waste any more time. The more time you spend on the hive, opening it up, the more time they're going to be rebuilding that back to the way it used to be. Now if there's a day like today, there's a good summer flow on, I don't want the bees wasting time here putting everything back right, because I've fiddled about with it. The least amount of time you spend on the bees, the more time they're actually working and making new honey. Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put a new video out every week. Thanks for watching.